Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. It is coming from Aki. They also have this 4-port USB-C hub. Connect your devices, plug it in. Simple to use. Get this at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below and check them out and see what other goodies they have to offer and take advantage of the Amazon's Prime fast shipping. They'll send this out to you in no time. So, especially now with the holidays coming up, you might want to add this on your list. Your computer accessories. Like I said, they got this nice mouse pad, XL one. Those links will be down below. I'm going to rip it open. Well, like I said, easy to use. We don't need no manual.
I don't know that.
I didn't say nothing. Alexa's talking again. Alright, come on. There we go. Kind of looks like a fire stick almost. Here we go. There's the HDMI or the USB port. Another one there. I don't know if you guys can see this. Going on with my camera. Here we go. So, pretty simple. You gotta plug it in, and boom, hook it up to your computer, laptop, your MacBooks, all that good stuff. And get this at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. Check them out. Alright, YouTubers, that'll be it for today. Be safe and have a good one. See ya.